Hey, this is Edgar with Engadget, and we're here at the Xbox Showcase at E3 2019, where I just got done playing Gears 5. So the part of Gears 5 that I got to play is the new escape mode, which is a co-op mode that you can play with your friends online or locally. And your job in escape mode is to join 2 other players as part of a suicide squad that's trying to take out a hive of aliens or weird looking creatures that are flying around you. Some of them are not flying around you, some of them are actually standing right next to you, and then you try to take them out either with a gun or with a knife. So the first thing you notice is that the game looks beautiful. We played it on an Xbox One X and the graphics look tremendous. The game is very smooth. If you've played any of the Gears games before this, then you're gonna feel right at home with the controller and the visuals. So we only got to play escape mode for about 15 minutes, but it was a lot of fun, and I have a feeling that a lot of people are going to enjoy it because it's going to be a way to play with friends, again, online and locally. The new Gears 5 arrives September 10th on Xbox and PC. Until then, here's some gameplay for you to check out. And for more from E3 2019, stay tuned to Engadget.com. Awful. All right, let's do this. Oh God, that was a big mistake. So it looks like we're gonna get right into the action here. I don't know what I just did, but I like that.
Learn that from my shite chef Uncle Donald.
I think I gotta, oh, I don't have any bullets.
Cover me! Reloading!
Area secure. Well done, team.
Só vou jogar e falar. Pra fazer start.
Alright, I gotta figure out how to reload, either reload or get some bullets.
Ready to front line. Okay, that's it.
Supplies for the podcast. Take a look.
There we go, I got some bullets.
Store's closed.
So yeah, what we're playing is hopefully the
There's some supplies we can use here.
oh, I don't know what I just did. I have a feeling I should not have done that.
Parceria real. I love these people. What's pior que rolou uma treta disso, né? Oh my God. Ah, tem que... Acho que é. Nossa. Olha que animal, velho. Nossa, a mina tá toda... O bicho tá dentro do bicho. Tá. Não, tá.
Oh, there you go, I figured out how to reload, finally. Oh no, that's not good. I am out of bullets.
My shield. Ready to front line.
Você é a garota?
Yeah.
Bad for the
Cara, essa mina aqui enfia soco no saco, sabe? Se liga.
Matei.
Bora, molecada.
Corre.
Segura o A.
Oh no.
O A, aperta em qualquer lugar e você
Pra baixar.
vai baixar.
They don't have any bullets, so I gotta. Here we go. Oh, I like this.
Não consigo pegar. Tá quebrado.
Aye, there's a welcome sight to seafood.
Vendo o trigger.
Yo, I just picked up this massive gun.
Mas não tem munição. Cuidado, vai subir.
Sweetie.
Chega mais, chega mais.
Quem é você?
Tô aqui na esquerda, ó.
What the fuck is you happening?
Tem munição pra essa fase.
sterilizer.
What is happening?
Give me some reaction. Pegou essa fase. Você vai fazer o recarregamento
To the extraction point now.
do seu cacete. Você aperta o R1 e aí ele vai aparecer uma linha.
So in terms of the game mechanics, it's pretty simple. If you've played Gears of War, you'd probably be used to it.
Ó, cada tem uma habilidade especial.
You aim with the left trigger, shoot with the right trigger, and right now I'm moving pretty slowly because I am carrying this massive weapon, which I am pretty excited to shoot when I can. I think right now is my time.
I'm reloading.
There, oh, it freezes them. Nice. Oops. So this gun I have, you shoot it at these aliens, and it freezes them, and then somebody else can just pop them and shatter them, which is pretty dope. The downside is that it's too heavy, so I'm like moving very, very slow. But yeah, the graphics look pretty incredible, as you might expect.
Peraí, tô pegando a área.
And the mode we're playing right now is called Escape, which is the new co-op mode. So I'm playing with 2 other players, and I think our goal is basically to stop these aliens. There we go. Oh no, that's not good. Boom. Good night. Oh, I think we're about to play this. Looks like a big boss. Oh no. Run! Yeah, this is a big boss, man. I don't have any bullets. So yeah, I'm playing with two other players, and our goal is basically to kill these aliens and escape the hive. So far, I think we're doing pretty well. And again, we're playing in, or I'm playing in beginner mode, so it's not that, not having that much of a hard time. The only thing I'm having a hard time with is trying to find bullets, but.
Aí galera, deixa que eu vou na frente, eu congelo esses matos.
I'm gonna find a new weapon, man. Oh, here's one.
Good piece of kit.
Ready to frontline.
Oh shit.
I'm reloading!
Oh no. I got a new weapon. We're good. We're in business. Shit.
I know how to use this one.
Now we have some weird looking flying creatures flying at us.
Lights down.
Nice. There we go. I think one of the things I'm kind of learning quick is you got to be smart about shooting, because if you run out of bullets, then I've had a little bit of trouble trying to find you. So I'm gonna be mindful of that. Nice. Oh, this one's.
Hold the door.
Oh god, here we go. Nice.
Aqui, ó.
Get that, bro. Alright, so I think we made it past the hive. We destroyed them. Took us 11 minutes and 50 seconds. So I think we did pretty well for ourselves here.